Right.
We'll all get no.
Okay, so thank you to everyone who donated. I'm gonna do it now. Alright. I haven't drunk enough alcohol yet for this. Oh my god. I'm not gonna cry. Is it done?
That's one.
Who's going next? It was nice knowing you.
Taylor's on.
Hi Taylor.
I love Donk Joy.
Hi Anna. Who's next? It's too late to turn back now. I should start like this.
Imagine.
Well, yeah, I think last time I checked, I've raised about £660, so I guess it's good for a good cause. You're
Hopefully you got another, like, £30 money in the book.
You can still donate if you want to. Link below. Just so
Donations haven't closed yet.
yeah, donations haven't closed.
Oh, this is the last one. Are you ready?
Yeah. I wish I had a mirror. I don't actually know what it looks like. I'm really hungry.
There's a mirror here.
Pizza's waiting for you, Rosh.
Four random cuts. It's not.
You honestly, yeah, you honestly don't look bad.
Get a mirror. How
Well, at least I know I'm looking at this though. Don't be lying to me, please, bitch.
She's not watching, don't worry.
You guys lie.
Rosh, Amy Brett will just put, this is going to be such a look, wow. Joe Waring.
Love you guys. Well, no.
Right, it's on.
Who wants to do the first shave?
You have to do it.
Yeah, I think you should. Make sure you, yeah.
You actually go in.
I need the garden.
Bullshit. I was going to say, don't go that short. How much hair do you want left, Josh?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Start
start.
off with the highest.
I'm gonna start off with a 5 and then swap it, go down.
Okay.
I'm straight.
Michaela.
I wouldn't go to 3.
My anxiety's so bad.
Right.
3.
That's more than
Ross,
this is more than 3
This is
because
like
this
3.
was cut like 2 weeks ago.
Oh. So should I start off with a 4?
So start with a 5 because
Okay.
there's a lot of hair there, so a lot will come off and you'll get worried.
Does anyone else use this?
Yeah.
Can you sort it out for me, please? My hands are shaking.
I'm not doing this now.
I didn't know that people could hear me, they were like, it's like you. I
I'm
was
not
like,
sure.
You do the first one, and I'll do it.
and then I pressed it on my face.